I just started playing a stand-up bass, and now my friends and I have started a band. Our first gig is a Mardi Gras theme, and of course, I want to decorate. My inspiration is the Bourbon Street sign and a black lamp post. Then I realized I already have a black post, the music stand. Let's make some signs out of cardboard. It's not waterproof, but that's okay. I found black paint in the garage, but it was oil-based. What a mess! Don't use oil-based. It's such a pain to clean up. At least I had this terpenoid product on hand. It did a great job cleaning up without the strong turpentine smell. It really is odorless. The link in the description. We're just going to spray this side. I'm done with that oil-based paint. I can't get it off. What the hell? Did you see that? I tried to get the lid off. I broke the nozzle. Paint went everywhere. I've ruined the can of paint. I printed the letters on my inkjet printer. I'm using Elmer's glue to glue the paper to the cardboard. The neater we are at cutting and gluing, the better the final result will look. I even used a black Sharpie to cover in the small anomalies I missed with the scissors. The signs are ready for hanging, so I hot glued them onto a single wooden dowel. I attached the whole thing to the music stand with some bread ties. This thing is pretty lightweight. Now add some beads near the sign and presto. It looks so good, and we are gonna party like it's Mardi Gras.